Hi friends, welcome to Joyster channel. Today we are going to see how to prepare tasty, crispy, yippee lollipops at home. Okay friends, before getting into the video, please subscribe my channel. Okay friends, here we have the list of ingredients. Please make a note of it. Okay friends, first take a pan, in that add 200 ml of water, add noodles in it, add masala, cook for 2 minutes. Take that Maggi in a bowl and add 2 tablespoon maida, 2 tablespoon corn flour and 1 green chilli chopped, and 1 tablespoon soya sauce and chili sauce, tomato sauce 1 tablespoon and little salt, and mix well with a spoon. Now wash your hand cleanly and make a roll, small rolls, and insert 1 ice cream stick. Now like this make a lollipops and keep it ready. Now in a bowl take 2 tablespoon of maida, 2 tablespoon of corn flour, quarter tablespoon of chili powder and little salt. Add 3 tablespoon of water and mix well so that it gets to a batter consistency. Now dip the lollipops and fry in a oil. Fry under low flame so that it becomes golden brown. Now our tasty and crispy Yippee Noodles lollipop is ready. Okay viewers, if you like this video, please like, share, and also don't forget to comment your suggestions, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends.